Sublimation jerseys start as digital designs made on graphic design applications. After that, the design is imprinted on paper in life size using huge format printers. The printed design is then pressed onto the material at high pressure and temperature. The pressure and heat change the design into gas, which then sticks to the molecules on the material. At last, the material pants are sewn together to make the completed jersey. Sublimation jerseys offer further value compared to screen-printed jerseys. When a jersey is sublimated, the player names, numbers, logos, and design do not wear, crack, or fade, as they are quickly infused into the material. Sublimation jerseys are different from embroidered or screen-printed jerseys. On such jerseys, the logos, etc., lie on the surface of the material. Over time, the logos might peel or wear off. Over the course of several seasons, the extra